Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechGym. Today I'm going to teach you how to set ringtone in iPhone. Before proceeding, click subscribe button for more videos. So let's start. Open settings and click on sound and haptics. Here you can enable vibrate on ring. Through this option, phone will vibrate while ringing. If you want only vibration when your phone is on silent mode, then enable this option, vibrate on silent. Through this slider, you can increase or decrease ringtone volume. If you want to use buttons to increase or decrease volume, then enable this option, change with button. Now, if you want to change ringtone, then click here. You can see there are lots of default ringtones. Here, you can select any ringtone for your phone. You can change text tone here. Click on text tone and select any ringtone from the list. Same as well for voicemail, new mail and calendar alerts too. Select any ringtone according to your preference. If you want sound on, keyboard click, then enable this option. You can enable sound for lock also. I hope this video will fulfill your purpose. Thanks for watching my video. Click subscribe button for more videos.